I would conclude really where we started. What is the purpose of a university? Is it to administer racially discriminatory programs in the hopes of equalizing group level outcomes? I don't think so. Is it to have academic administrators impose an ideological and monolithic orthodoxy on students, faculty, and staff? I don't think so. And is it to subordinate truth-seeking in the interest of activism? Is it to suppress the freedom of speech and inquiry in the interest of maintaining ideological unity and moving the institution into the realm of practical politics in violation of that basic social compact that previously governed the relationship between the people and their government, that is, the people and their public universities? I don't think so. And I think the violation of that social compact is extraordinarily damaging. Because what does it mean? It means that every waitress, electrician, Uber driver, dishwasher in the state of Colorado, people who do not have a college education, but believe that it's so important to support these institutions that they're willing to take some money out of their paycheck every 2 weeks to pay for those universities. To me, it violates that basic democratic principle to such an extraordinary degree that we need to have dramatic and consequential changes.